Hello, I'm Greta Tita Gita Mayor. Thank you so much for subscribing this channel. If you are new, don't forget to like, comment, share so that others will also be equipped about their potential and purpose. If you are new, click the subscribe and notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I will upload a new video. In this channel, you will receive wisdom for living. We are now on day 270. Keys to releasing your potential. Understand your purpose. So una, the keys to releasing your potential is know your source. Pangalawa is understand your how you function. And number 3, itong pangatlo, understand your purpose. Ang ating text makikita sa Galatians 1:15 to 16. God who set me apart from birth and called me by His grace was pleased to reveal His Son in me so that I might preach Him among the Gentiles. God who set me apart. It means ay tinalaga ka. Yan. Itinalaga siya. Yan yung sabi ni Pablo. Tinalaga siya para sabi niya rito ay tuparin, i-fulfill. Tinalaga at tinawag sa dahil sa kanyang biyaya to reveal the Son in Him. Ayan, to preach among the Gentiles. So yan yung sinasabi ni Pablo. Nakita niya kanyang purpose. To fully release your potential, you must discover your corporate and specific reason for existence and the accompanying assignment. One of the first tasks of a builder who wants to restore an old house is to determine the purpose for each room. Although this purpose may not be immediately evident, the rebuilding cannot accurately and effectively duplicate the original building if the purpose for each room is not established. Sabi niya rito, para ma-release mo, mailabas mo, magamit mo, yung iyong potential, kailangan ay matuklasan mo kung ano yung specific reason. Bakit ka nabubuhay sa mundong ito? At yun yung ating assignment, ang iyong assignment. At una sa task ng isang builder, halimbawa ay kung gusto niya i-restore yung isang old house. So kailangan ay para ma-duplicate niya ito, para kung kuha niya, kopyang-kopya niya yung original, kailangan alamin niya yung purpose ng bawat room. For example, yung room na yan ay isang kusina. Syempre, alam mo kung saan ilalagay yung lagay ng lababo, or saan ilalagay yung saksakan. So, alam niya. O kung ang room na yan ay isang bedroom or living room. So, alam mo kung saan ilalagay yung mga dapat na ilagay dyan, yung mga saksakan, yung mga dapat ayusin, kung para saan ba yan. So, kapag ka nag-restore ka ng isang old building or old house, at wala na, hindi mo na makita kumbaga lahat ng mga division na alis na, or may division pa malalis na yung mga dapat na feature niya yan, so hindi mo na alam para saan yan. So, dapat alamin mo para maibalik mo yung original niya na, syempre, original niya na itsura, ma-duplicate mo. Alam mo yung purpose so that you can duplicate. Now, kapag ang isang purpose ng isang room ay hindi mo alam, syempre, maiiba yung kanyang style kasi hindi mo alam yung kanyang purpose. But, if you know the purpose, ma-duplicate mo kung ano yung kanyang disenyo dati. Bakit? Kasi alam mo yung purpose. So, napakahalaga na alam yung purpose. In a similar manner, you cannot effectively release your potential if you do not discover God's purpose for giving you life. Your potential and your purpose are perfectly related because God never requires you to do or be something that is not part of His purpose. Likewise, He never requires something of you that He did not provide for. When He created you, your potential enables you to fulfill your purpose. And your purpose reveals the potential hidden within you. Ayan. Now, para ma-release mo effectively at magamit mo ayon sa layunin ng Diyos, ang mga galing, ability, potential na mayroon ka, kailangan ay alamin mo anong dahilan bakit ka nabubuhay sa mundong ito. Bakit kay pinanganak? Bakit ka nandito? Ano ang dahilan? Why are you living? Why do you exist? So, dapat alam mo kasi yan ay nakatali, nakatied up doon sa layunin ng Diyos sa buhay mo. Now, hindi naman tayo i-require ni God na gumawa ng isang bagay na hindi niya tayo gin-providean ng lahat ng ating kailangan. He never requires something that he did not he never requires something of you that he did not provide for. So, ibig sabihin, kung ano yung dinemand niya sa atin, binigyan niya rin tayo. So, kung ano yung purpose niya, yun din yung binigay niya. According to that purpose, yun yung nag-determine ng kakayahan, ng potential na binigay niya sa atin. At yung ating purpose, ito yung magre-reveal ng ating layunin. So, ang specific purpose ko ay may kinalaman sa pagtuturo, passion ko ito. Kaya, yung sinabi ko nakaraan na hindi ako namumroblema no i-content ko sa YouTube na ito dahil alam ko na kung ano yung purpose ko and God has given me all the resources. Why? Because this is His purpose. Kapag hindi, mag-struggle ako. So, yun yung dahilan bakit ako nagkaroon ng YouTube na ganito. Because of my purpose. Because of the God-given purpose and He has given me this ability. Now, lahat na potential na mayroon ako ay binigay niya dahil magagamit ko ito sa kanyang layunin. Para to pa rin yung layunin ng lumikha sa akin, ng manufacturer. So lahat na kailangan ko para matupad ang layunin niya sa buhay ko ay binigay niya. Ganon din sa'yo. Yung galing mo na yan, huwag mong isipin, ako lang magaling. Ako lang makakagawa nito. Tama ka. Ikaw lang makakagawa niyan. Ikaw ang magaling dyan na bagay sa bagay na yan at expert sa bagay na yan. At wala kang kapareho. Bakit? Dahil ang iyong assignment ay walang kapareho din. Kakailanganin mo yan para sa iyong purpose. So, whatever potential that you have, that is related to your purpose. Remember that. From his encounter, si Pablo, na yung binasa natin kanina sa text, from his encounter with Christ on the road to Damascus to the end of his life, the Apostle Paul knew that he had been called and saved by God for a specific purpose. God, who set me apart from birth and called me by His grace, was pleased to reveal His Son in me so that I might preach Him among the Gentiles. So yun yung purpose. Alam ni Pablo kung ano yung purpose ni God, bakit siya niligtas, and that is to preach among the Gentiles. Kaya, si Pablo nakafocus. Alam niya yung kanyang specific purpose. The moment na ma-discover mo yung specific purpose, task, assignment, your God-given dream, I tell you, you will be passionate about it at lahat na potential na mayroon ka, makikita mo, lalabas siya at mga resources mo ay lalabas lang yan. At walang lalabas sa puso mo na pride. Why? Because you know that purpose or that potential na binigay niya sa'yo ay hindi mo ipagyayabang. Bakit? Kasi alam mong purpose niyan eh. Pinigyan ako nito dahil kailanganin ko to sa aking layunin. Sa layunin ng ating tagapaglikha. Hindi ka magyayabang, hindi mo kukumpare sarili mo. Hindi ka rin magsasabi na sana ganyan din ako. Buti nga kayo ganun. Hindi ka magsasalita ng ganyan. Why? Because you know your purpose. All the potentials that you have, alam mong gagamitin ito para matupad ang iyong layunin sa buhay mo. Kagaya ni Pablo. Similarly, the Apostle Peter discovered his purpose when Jesus told him 3 times, "Take care of my sheep," John 21:16, also John 21:15-18. Both remained faithful to God's purpose, dedicating their lives to each accomplishment and conforming their actions to each fulfillment. So si Peter, alam niya rin yung kanyang purpose, kaya kahit na din niya si Jesus Christ for 3 times, bumalik pa rin siya. Diba? At binigyan siya ng assurance ni God. Ito yung purpose mo, take care of my sheep. Take care of my sheep. Take care of my sheep. Yun yung kanyang purpose at naintindihan yun ni Pablo, ay ni Peter. Kaya siya ay naging tapat, faithful, dedicated siya para matupad ang layunin ng Diyos sa kanyang buhay. So, you are like these apostles. You too have purpose set forth by God and the skills, talents, abilities, and characteristics that enable you to fulfill His plan. Your responsibility is to discover what God designed you to do and how He planned that you would accomplish it. Until you discover God's blueprint, you will not have the motivation to uncover the potential that will empower you to accomplish it, nor will you be happy and fulfilled. Discovery of purpose is discovery of potential. Yan. So, kagaya ni Paul at ni Peter na may purpose, bakit sila pinanganak sa mundong ito, ikaw mayroon din. Dahil lahat tayo, ako at ikaw, ay may layunin din ang Diyos. At binigyan niya tayo ng skill na dapat ma-develop, talents, abilities, and characteristics na ito ay kakailanganin natin para matupad yung layunin niya sa ating buhay. Ang ating responsibility lang ay tuklasin ito kung paano niya to tayo dinisinyo at paano natin ito maabot. Kasi kapag hindi natin na-discover yung blueprint sa ating buhay, hindi mo mailalabas yung full potential mo. Kaya sabi niya rito, pag natuklasan mo yung specific purpose mo sa buhay, layunin, intention ng tagapaglikha, matutuklasan mo rin ang iyong potential. Kaya maraming mga tao na hanggang ngayon, kaya ang hirap mashiran yung mga tao, ang hirap maniwala o mag-focus yung mga tao na may family na, alam na yung kanyang patutunguhan daw, may trabaho na, may sasakyan na, may stable na nakita. Ito mga ganitong klase ng tao, most of the, hindi naman lahat, lalo na pag di mo kilala or di ko kilala, hindi talaga sila maniniwala sa akin. Bakit sino ka? Ayan. Ano bang meron ka? Ako tapos na ako, no? Ako may bahay na ako, no? Ako mayroon na akong negosyo, no? Ang laki ng kita ko, o millions. So, ano pang hahanapin ko? Now, yung mga taong ganito, wala naman akong hahanapin pa. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa nila na-discover yung kanilang purpose. Kasi kapag na-discover mo ang iyong purpose, kahit may bahay ka na, kahit may nakatapos ka na ng pag-aaral, kahit may family ka na, may kita ka na, maglalang ka ng panahon para alamin kung paano mo matupad ang iyong layunin sa buhay at tuloy-tuloy na ilalabas mo ang iyong potential. Naglalaan ka ng panahon yan. Hindi ka kailangan sabihin because of that passion that God has put in your heart. That's the result when you discover the purpose. O kahit isa ka pang estudyante, hindi mo pa alam kung anong kukunin mo sa buhay. Para alam mo kung anong kukunin mo, para alam mo kung anong track na kukunin mo, para alam mo kung anong kurso na kukunin mo, kailangan alamin mo, maglaan ka ng panahon sa pagtuklas ng iyong purpose. Kasi kapag hindi maging stagnant yung buhay mo or hindi ka makafocus sa isang bagay o sa isang kurso. Kaya napakahalaga, bata ka man, or may naabot ka na, nasabi mo, nakatapos ka na ng pag-aaral, may family ka na, or nakapatapos ka naman ng pag-aaral ng mga anak mo, kung hindi mo alam ang iyong purpose sa buhay, sasabihin mo, retire na ako, uupo na lang ako. Or sasabihin mo, ito yung gusto ko. So, hindi ka maglalaan talaga ng panahon para alamin kung ano pa yung magagawa mo. But, if you have discovered and understand your purpose, sigurado, may lalabas mo ang iyong potential. Kasi pag natuklasan mo ang purpose mo, matuklasan mo rin ang iyong potential. So, success without an understanding of purpose is meaningless. Knowing and cooperating with your God-given purpose is the third key to releasing your potential. He alone knows why He created you, with a specific combination of personality, abilities, and dreams that make you the unique individual you are. So kahit successful ka pa, sabi mo nagtagumpay na ako, may bahay na ako, may sasakyan na ako, may kita na ako, may family na ako, but if you don't understand the reason for your existence, ang sinasabi mong success na yan still meaningless in the sight of our Creator. But if you know your God-given purpose, naintindihan mo yung God-given purpose mo, yan yung pangatlong susi, mailalabas mo talaga lahat ng potential mo dahil hindi ka hihinto hanggat di mo na-fulfill ang iyong purpose. Why God created you. At yun dun mo malalaman na totoo yung sinasabi ko na ang saya pala. Or for those of you who are listening now, you already know the purpose why God created you. It means you will take time. Manonood ka everyday ng ina-upload ko dahil nai-inspired ka, at nai-educate ka, namumotivate ka, na-inform ka, marami kang natututunan kasi nakaka-relate ka sa sinasabi ko. Your personality, your abilities, and dreams, si Lord naglagay yan. Si Lord ang nagdisenyo niyan. Bakit? Kasi yan ang kakailanganin mo para matupad ang purpose niya sa buhay mo at nakaka-enjoy. For those of you who have already discovered your purpose, you can relate with me na kung saan masasabi mo, life is exciting and meaningful, free from stress. You will believe me because you also understand your purpose. But if you don't understand your purpose, I tell you, hindi ka maniniwala sa sinasabi ko. But if you already know, you will believe what I'm saying because you can relate with what I'm saying. Kasi ako, na-discover ko na yung aking specific purpose. Pero pag hindi pa, now is your time to ask the Lord and show you the specific assignment why God created you, why you exist. So you share the purpose of humanity to glorify God by fulfilling your individual purpose and by releasing the power, beauty, and possibilities hidden within you. So maraming mga tao sinasabi nila to glorify God. You can never glorify God if you don't understand your purpose. Remember, mag-glorify lang si God, matutuwa lang siya sa atin, napaparangalan siya kung tinutupad natin yung kanyang layunin sa ating buhay. Kaya napakahalaga na unawain natin kung ano yung purpose niya, why we were born, why we exist. At kapag ginagawa mo yon, tinutupad mo yon, nalakaran mo yon, you are releasing your gift, the beauty, the possibilities that is hidden within you, the potential na paparangalan ang ating tagapaglikha at pati yung ating henerasyon ay mag-i-enjoy dahil nagawa mo ang purpose mo sa buhay. Hindi sila magsasuffer, but they will enjoy the fruit of your labor because you have fulfilled your purpose why God created you. So, if you have already discovered your purpose, just leave a comment below. But if not, just leave a comment and ask for help. Thanks for watching. God bless.